Excuse me, there's a discussion taking place at the door. Please be silent. Please be patient.
First Amendment!
Seriously?
Wait, check it.
Hang on, it's okay.
They asked us to come around here and tell us.
No, it's not.
It's not law enforcement's fault. They're trying to get rid of it.
Just see what's happening.
What's happening? I gotta tell you.
We were denied entrance on the other side, and the police had a meeting, asked us to come to this entrance, and now we're waiting to see if they will let us in. We hope they will let us in. But whether they let us in or out, we will stand until there is a change and a better deal for the American people. Right now, Wisconsin has on your back the burden of the American worker. All around the nation, we see wealth going up, jobs going down, and poverty expanding. We can't take it anymore. We're losing our jobs, our classrooms are getting bigger, our kids are falling behind, home foreclosures, while we are doing what? $1 trillion in Iraq and Afghanistan. $2 billion a day in Afghanistan. The 5 major oil companies, $1 trillion in profits since 9/11. We cut taxes in December for the wealthiest Americans, and the amount that they receive equals the amount of the state budget deficits in all 50 states. And that's why you are fighting America's fight today. And so don't you let the winter winds break your spirit. Don't let various means or schemes to lock you out. Weak democracy cannot be locked out. Our quest for justice cannot be locked out. Our quest for fairness cannot be locked out. Today we are revolting, we are recalling, and voting, recalling, and revolting. Voting, recalling, and revolting. Collective bargaining. That's what democracy looks like. The right to fight for the right. For democracy looks like. Collective bargaining is marching in Selma, Alabama when doors were closed. Collective bargaining is marching in South Africa when doors were closed. Collective bargaining is marching in Egypt when doors are closed. Collective bargaining is marching in Madison when doors are closed. We will march and the doors open. We will march until democracy for all of our people is affirmed. We want to work. We need to work. We will work. We want to work. Need work. Will work. Teachers must not be used as scapegoats for this crisis. Teachers did not cause the bank collapse. Teachers did not cause manipulation of oil prices. Teachers did not cause home foreclosure crisis. Teachers did not cause the misadventure into Iraq. Stand tall. Stand tall. Stand tall. Stand tall. Keep hope alive. Keep hope alive. Spirits high. Heads high. Spirits high. Head high. Keep hope alive. Remain disciplined, non-violent, and determined. Disciplined, non-violent, and determined. Let me hear you scream.